Yes, good morning, all of you. Welcome to Sanvi Learning Services. How are you all today? Fine? Can you all see the screen? Shishan, Athena, Karthik, Taresh, Chandu. Are you all fine? Give me a smile then. Shirisha, Christina, Varshida. Okay, fine. Nice smile. Okay, shall we go ahead with our lesson? Okay, just wait, just wait. So this is the lesson that we have been learning in the past 3 lessons, the class 9 English Unit 2 A reading through height. And the aim of this lesson is to make you understand the importance of sports and games in our life, isn't it? So already we have finished the entire lesson, and what we are remaining with the grammar part of this lesson, isn't it? So we will be going ahead with the grammar part. Let me show you the next slide. So here comes our agenda for today: introduction, vocabulary, explanation of the grammar part, and listening skills. If possible, we will cover all these parts today. And here comes the first part, vocabulary section, synonyms. What do you mean by synonyms? Same meaning words, isn't it? So synonyms, use the thesaurus or dictionary to find out the synonyms of these words from the story you have read and use them in your own sentences. So it is a little difficult for you people to find out the synonym of these words from the dictionary. So see the first word which is given there is quench. So I will tell you the synonym, but you will have to make your own sentences. Fine. Okay. Quench. Write the meaning slake. S-L-A-K-E. S-L-A-K-E. Slake. Quench, it means slake. Satisfy. The word satisfy can also be taken as its synonym. Quench. The more apt word is slake. S-L-A-K-E. So this is your homework. You will have to make a sentences using these words. Okay. And the next word is glamour. What do you mean by glamour? Attractive. Attractive. Right. Quench, slake, glamour, attractive. Passion. What do you mean by passion? Desire. Desire. D-E-S-I-R-E. Desire. Persistence. Persistence. The synonym is determination. Persistence, it means determination. Determination. And the next word is arrogant. What do you mean by arrogant? Unpleasant. Unpleasant. An arrogant person, an unpleasant person. And the next word is pounding. Pounding, it means beating. My heart is pounding. My heart is beating. Pounding, beating. Have you all done with that? So the word quench means the synonym is slake. S-L-A-K is slake. And the next word is glamour. It means attractive, passion, desire, persistence, determination, arrogant, unpleasant, pounding, beating. So you will have to make a sentence using these words. Okay, that's your homework for today. And let's move on to the next slide. So a collocation is an agreement. See here, the next heading is collocation. Collocation is an agreement of words or other elements, especially those that commonly co-occur. Commonly co-occur. Say, heartfelt congratulations. Congratulation is a noun and heartfelt is an adjective, isn't it? Okay, there are certain word combinations. You say adjective plus noun. Usually, after this adjective, usually we use a particular noun for that. You see there, bright, harsh, intense, strong, light. In that part, which is the most important word is light. It's a noun. The words which are given before that, bright, harsh, intense, strong, all those words are adjectives. So usually we say bright light, isn't it? Bright light, harsh light, intense light, or strong light. So these words usually co-occurs. That's why it is called as collocations. Collocations. So adjective plus noun, example, bright light, harsh light, intense light, and strong light. See the second one, verb plus noun. Verb plus noun. Cast, it's a verb. Emit, it's a verb. Give, it's a verb. Provide, it's a verb. Shed, it's a verb. Light is a noun. See here, cast light, emit light, give light, provide light, shed light. See the third one, noun plus verb. Light gleams or light glows, light shines. This is how we use collocations in sentences. So the next one, noun plus noun. A light source. Light is a noun, source is also a noun. Preposition plus noun. By the light of the moon. By the light of the moon. Noun plus preposition. The light from the window. A quantifier plus noun. A beam or a ray of light. A ray of light. These are the usually words that co-occurs. A bright light, a harsh light, an intense light, a strong light, light gleams, light glows, light shines, a light source, by the light of the moon, the light from the window, a beam or a ray of light. So see here, students, use a dictionary So almost 14 students have finished. So in the first one, heartfelt sympathy and heartfelt congratulations. We have two answers. Done with that? Okay, we will go ahead with the second one. Deep sympathy. No, it don't work. It doesn't work, isn't it? Deep opinion. Okay, that's fine. Take the second column. Deep opinion. Deep welcome. No. Deep congratulations. No. Deep dream. No. So only one answer we have for the second one. Deep opinion. Deep opinion. Okay. See the next one. Childhood. Childhood sympathy. Is it a collocation? No. Childhood opinion. It doesn't work. Childhood welcome. Again, no. Childhood congratulations. No. Childhood dream. Yes. Childhood dream. Now we will go ahead with the fourth one. Express. Do you express your sympathy? Yes. Express sympathy. Do you express your opinion? Yes. So first one and second one. Express sympathy, express opinion. Give tick there. Express welcome? No. Express congratulations? No. Express dream? It will also not work, isn't it? So for express, we have two answers here. Express sympathy and express opinion. See the next word. Strong. Strong sympathy. No. Strong opinion. Yes. Strong opinion. Fine. Very good. Strong welcome? No. Strong congratulations? No. Strong dream? No. So only one answer. Strong opinion. Have you ever heard warm sympathy? No. Warm opinion? No. Warm welcome? Yes. Warm welcome. Warm congratulations? No. Warm dream? No. Then only warm welcome. So once again the answers: heartfelt sympathy and congratulations, deep opinion, childhood dream, express sympathy and opinion, strong opinion, and finally warm welcome. Okay, done with that. We'll go through the next one. Okay, look at the following sentences taken from the reading passage. So from the passage, we have taken some sentences here. Look at the sentences now. As he raced down the golden lined wheat fields, he would always outrun the locomotives passing by. See here, students, in that sentence, we have two parts. One comes before the comma and one comes after the comma. So we can divide this sentence into two parts. See, as he raced down the golden lined wheat fields. Can you tell me whether this part of the sentence can be taken as a separate sentence? Will it give you a complete thought or meaning? If suppose I'm telling you, as he raced down the golden lined wheat fields, can you consider this as a full sentence? or an independent sentence? No, because when I am telling you this part of the sentence, as he raised down the golden line to wheat fields, you will usually ask a question, what happened next? Then what happened next? He would always outrun the locomotives passing by. So always the first part of the sentence needs the support of the second part of the sentence. Suppose I am going to tell you a sentence. If you go now, if you go now, have you got the complete meaning of that part? Or have you got the complete meaning of that clause? If you go now, is that a complete sentence? Did I express the complete thought in that part of the sentence? No. If you go now, you will get the train. If you go now, you will get the train. Say, without the second part of that sentence, the first part cannot stand its own, isn't it? So, this is a complex sentence. It has two parts. One is a dependent clause, and the other one is independent clause. One is dependent clause and the other one is independent clause. How do you understand whether a sentence, a clause is dependent or independent? You can understand it by you see here, as he raised down the golden line to wheat fields. If I am telling you only that part of the sentence, you will not get the entire or complete meaning. So it will be wrong. So it always needs the second part of the sentence also. He would always outrun the locomotives pass by. But you see the second part of the sentence, he would always outrun the locomotives passing by. You have your subject there, you have your verb there, everything is there. So you don't need any support from the first part of the sentence. So in this case, the first part which needs support from the other part. So the first part is a dependent clause. It means it needs support from the second part. And the second part is known as independent clause because that part of the sentence doesn't need any support. As I said to you earlier, if you go now, the meaning is incomplete there. If you go now, you will get the buzz. Then the meaning is crystal clear, isn't it? So this is a complex sentence. It has two parts. One is a dependent clause, one is an independent clause. So dependent clause always needs the support of the independent clause. Otherwise, the meaning will not be conveyed in a proper manner. See the second sentence there. When he heard the singing of some distant robins in flight, when he heard the singing of some distant robins in flight, did I convey the full message? Did he understand the meaning of that sentence? No, it needs the other part as well. He knew it was his time to fly. If that part is not there, the first part is incomplete. So we can call the first part as dependent clause, second part as independent clause. So one word is underlined there. What is that? When. It is called a linking word. So the first clause, a dependent clause and an independent clause, both have been combined using this linking word when. In the first sentence, it was as. Have you seen that underlined word there? As. So that is the linking word there. So with the help of a linking word, two sentences, not two exactly two sentences, two clauses have been combined and we can call it as a complex sentence. So always a complex sentence contains two parts. So one part is a dependent clause, another part is an independent clause. So a complete meaningful sentence plus an incomplete sentence. We have been joining both those sentences. See the second one. When he heard the singing of some distant robins in flight, you will not get the entire meaning there. You need the other one also to get the complete meaning. He knew it was his time to fly. See the third sentence. Since the other Walter had fewer misses. Since the other Walter had fewer misses. Did I convey the full message? No, you did not get the complete meaning of that sentence. You need the next sentence also to understand the full meaning. Michael needed to clear this wall to win. So you observe the second part. Michael needed to clear this wall to win. It is an independent clause. It doesn't need the support of the first part. So see, in the first part there is the word underlined, sin, which is the linking word or linger that connects or joins or combines two clauses. One dependent clause with an independent clause. See, the above three sentences have two parts. In one part of the sentence is separated by comma, which lacks complete sense. So one part of the sentence is separated by comma, which lacks complete sense. It is not going to give us the complete meaning. It has to depend on the other part of the sentence for complete sentence. That is why it is called dependent clause, and the other part is called independent clause. It has other names also. We will come to know about that. The sentence part that is incomplete is dependent clause. The first three sentences, which is the incomplete sentence, incomplete part, as he raced down the golden lined wheat fields, that is incomplete. When he heard the singing of some distant robins in flight, that part is also incomplete. Since the other Walter had fewer misses, that's also incomplete. So that is called dependent clause. And the remaining part, he would always outrun the locomotives passing by. He knew it was his time to fly. Michael needed to clear this world to win. That is called independent clause. In the above sentence, the clauses with as and when denote time, whereas since denotes reason. So in the above sentence, the linking words as and when tells you about the time, whereas since tells you about the reason of that action. As and when refers to time, and the other part state what happened at that time. In the third sentence, the clause beginning with since states the reason and the other states the consequence. So here in a complex sentence, we have two parts. The one comes with a linking word, that is called a dependent clause. One comes without a linking word, that is called an independent clause. See, the words as, when, since are conjunctions. So these words underlined in the first three sentences, as, when, and since, they are called conjunctions. You can call them as linking words also, which connect two sentences. Here, two clauses. The clauses containing these words are called adverbial clauses. So these dependent clauses can also be called as adverbial clauses. These adverbial clauses cannot stand independently because it always needs the support of the second part, which is an independent sentence. So they are called dependent clause or subordinate clauses. The clause that stands on its own is an independent clause or main clause. So subordinate clause, dependent clause, adverbial clause. These three clauses are same. So the second part, which has complete meaning, they are called independent clause or main clause. The linkers as, when, and since are placed before the clauses to make them subordinate clauses. I think that you might have learned something about subordinating conjunctions in 8th class and 7th class, isn't it? We have coordinating conjunction, we have subordinating conjunctions, we have correlative conjunctions as well. Have you all studied? Okay. Say, now read the biographical account once again and pick out the adverbial clauses and main clauses and write them in the table or in your notebook. So you will have to pick out a complex sentence from your textbook, one or two complex sentences from your textbook and write them in your notebook. Shall we go ahead with one or two sentences from the textbook? Are you all ready? Okay, let me tell you one sentence. Write it. Write it. If you want something, comma, if you want something, comma, work for it. Work for it. If you want something, comma, work for it. So can you tell me what is the adverbial or dependent clause? First, tell me what is the linking word there. If you want something, work for it. If is the linking word there, isn't it? So the clause which comes with the linking word, that is known as dependent clause or adverbial clause. So if you want something is the adverbial clause there. So write in the adverbial clause part if you want something. And what is the main or independent clause? Work for it. Work for it. Work for it. Do you have space in your textbook for writing one more? Yes. Okay, very good. Second one. When he took a deep breath, 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 it happened, comma, it happened. It happened. Can you tell me what is the linking word there? Conjunction. When. So the clause which comes with the conjunction, that is known as adverbial or dependent clause. So that when he took a deep breath is the adverbial clause there, right there. When he took a deep breath. When he took a deep breath. And what is the main clause? It happened. It happened. That is the main clause. Done with that? Okay. See the next part. Complete the following sentences with appropriate adverbial clauses. Use the adverbs wherever they are given in brackets. Wherever they are given in brackets. The teacher entered the class. Can you fill the blank? Just try to do it. I will give you 3 minutes for that. We have 6 questions. Just try to do your own answer. I will give you some suggestions once you have done it. Okay. Take 2 minutes, not 3. Take 2 minutes. Okay, almost 22 students finished. What about the remaining students? Make it fast. Okay, shall we go ahead with the answers? So, see the first one. The teacher ended the class. The teacher ended the class when the bell rang. You might have done your own answer. That's not a problem. Uh, if someone, those who haven't written the answers, they can write this answer. Okay. Well, I cannot check everybody's answer. The teacher entered the class when the bell rang. The teacher entered the class when the bell rang. See the second one. The dog ran into a speeding car. The dog ran into a speeding car as it was crossing the road. As ASR it was crossing the road. The road. See the next one. I was in deep sleep when the phone rang. I was in deep sleep when the phone rang. I was in deep sleep when the phone rang. Fourth one. Someone knocked at the door. Someone knocked at the door when I was having lunch. Someone knocked at the door when I was having lunch. The crowd cheered Michael Stone as soon as he landed as soon as he landed on the inflated mat. As soon as he landed on the inflated mat. Done. It is high time the cricket board thought of different alternatives. It is high time the cricket board thought of different alternatives as the present players as the present players are not performing well. As the present players are not performing well. As the present players are not performing well. So we have completed that part and we have editing session and it will be followed in the next class. And already I have given you a homework. I hope you will do it before you are going to attend the next session. So this is the end of this session and thank you all.
Good morning, children. How are you all? So, welcome to Sanvi Learning Services. Today, we are going to discuss about polynomials and factorization. Second chapter, the name of the chapter is polynomials and factorization. Okay. And the aim of the topic is knowing about polynomials and factorizing them and solving exercise from 2.1 to 2.5 problems. Okay, knowing about polynomials and solving exercise 2.1 to from 2.1 to 2.5 problems. Okay, and the agenda is introduction to polynomials, degree of polynomials, zeros of a polynomials, value of the polynomial, dividing polynomial, okay, factors of the polynomials and algebraic identities. Okay, so in previous classes already we have discussed these all topics. Okay, degree of polynomial, zeros of polynomial, dividing polynomial, right? So today we are going to discuss this topic, dividing polynomial. Okay, so do you have idea where we have stopped in previous class? So let us see exercise 2.2. So in exercise 2.2, we have completed up to third bit we have completed, no? See, this is exercise 2.2. Okay, in this exercise 2.2, we have completed up to third bit, right? So now fourth bit. So today we are going to discuss exercise 2.2 fourth bit. Okay, so say fourth bit. What is given here in this fourth bit? Find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Okay, so here fourth bit is asking find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following. Zeros is asking here. Okay, in previous bit we have checked whether the given real numbers are zeros of the polynomial or not. Okay, but here, so here we have to find the zero of the polynomial. Okay, so let us see how to find the zero of the given polynomial. So the first question is given f of x is equal to x plus 2. Okay, first question is given f of x is equal to x plus 2. Okay, so let us see how to find the zeros of the polynomial. So observe the board carefully. Exercise 2.2. Okay, fourth bit. First question, it is given f of x is equal to x plus 2 given. F of x is equal to x plus 2. So this polynomial, from this polynomial we have to find the zero. So to find the zero of this polynomial, okay, so first of all, so the given polynomial we should equate to 0. So what is the name of the polynomial? F of x. So let f of x is equal to 0, the given polynomial. Why? Because we have to find the 0 now. We have to find the 0 of this polynomial. So to find 0 of this polynomial and this polynomial we have to equate to 0. So the name of the polynomial is f of x. So let f of x is equal to 0. And f of x value is given, that is x plus 2. Okay. So in the place of f of x, write x plus 2 is equal to 0. See, remember that here finding zeros are finding 0 is nothing but finding the x value. Okay, finding 0 is nothing but finding x value. So here we have to find x value. To find x value, this plus 2 send this side. So what will happen? Here this side 0 is there. When this plus 2 send this side, become minus 2. Okay, it means x is equal to 0 minus 2 is equal to how much? Minus 2. Okay, so x value we have got minus 2. X value we have got minus 2. So minus 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Okay, minus 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. So therefore, minus 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Yes, did you understand, children? So nothing is there. So if you to find the 0 of the given polynomial, first of all, the given polynomial we have to equate to 0. Okay. After equating 0, from that we have to find the x value. So that x value only the 0 of the given polynomial, right? The same way, you do the remaining problem, children. I will explain. See third problem answer. See third problem. Remaining problem you can do this. Okay. So let us see the third problem. What is given? Third problem is given. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3 given. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay. So now we have to find the 0 of this polynomial. Okay. So to find the 0 of this polynomial, so what we have to do, first of all, we have to equate to 0. The given polynomial we have to equate to 0. So let f of x is equal to 0. Okay. So therefore, f of x value is given 2x plus 3. So in the place of f of x, you write 2x plus 3. That is equal to 0. So what I said you, what I told you, finding 0 is nothing but finding x value. So to find x value, here this plus 3 and this 2 send this side. First of all, this plus 3 send this side. When this plus 3 send this side, it become minus 3. Okay. And this 2 also send this side. X is equal to, here 2x means 2 is multiplying here. When we send this side, it will divide. So minus 3 by 2. X value we have got here minus 3 by 2. So what x value we have got, that x value only the 0 of the given polynomial. So here x value we have got minus 3 by 2. So therefore minus 3 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Okay. Children, have you all understood how to find the 0 of the given polynomial? Okay, if you understand, please show your thumb. If you understand, please show your thumb. Okay, very good. Shall we enter into next bit? The remaining problems you complete, children, right? So the remaining problems are homework. Now let us see the next bit. See the next bit, fifth bit. What is given question? If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, then find the value of a. Okay, here a value is asking here. Okay, now see how to find this, the value of a. The question is given Okay. Now see, the question is given, if 2 is a, fifth question, if 2 is a 0 of the polynomial P of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. Two x square minus 3x plus 7a. Then find the value of a. Okay, this is the given question, right? So here already 0 he only given. Okay, he is given 0. So we have to find the value of a. So to find the value of a given, so what is given here? P of x, the polynomial is given. So P of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. This is the given polynomial. And he said 2 is a 0 of the given polynomial P of x. Okay, 2 is a 0 of the given polynomial P of x. Okay, so already he only saying 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. So what we have to do? So this 2 we have to substitute in the given polynomial. So therefore P of 2, P of x means x, in the place of x we have to substitute 2. Okay, so P of 2 is equal to, P of 2 is equal to 0 will. P of 2 is equal to 0. Why? Because already he only saying 2 is a 0 of the given polynomial. Okay, so it means what will happen? P of 2 value is equal to 0. When we substitute 2 in the given polynomial, it is equal to 0. So otherwise you write like this. So first substitute the given 0 in the given polynomial. Okay, so 2x square, it means 2 of x value is 2 square minus 3x, it means 3 into x value is 2 plus 7a. He said already 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, so that is equal to 0, right? So we substituted this 2 in the given polynomial, and he said that 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, so we have to equate to 0, right? Now okay, now see here. Okay, see here, 2 of, what is the value of 2 square? 4 minus 3 into 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. Now simplify this. 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8 minus 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 7a is equal to 0. Okay. Now here 8 minus 6, how much we get? 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. Here asked a value now. Okay, we have to find a value here. To find a value here, this 2 and this 7 extra is there. So these two numbers we have to send this side. So first of all, this plus 2 send this side. 7a keep here only. This plus 2 send this side. So when this plus 2 send this side, become minus 2. Okay. Again, this 7 also send this side. Okay, this 7 also send this side. So what will happen? A is equal to minus 2 by 7. So here 7a means 7 is multiplying here. So when we send this side, we'll divide. Okay. So a is equal to minus 2 by 7. This is the a value. So whenever given zeros like this, we have to find the values of the given variable in the. Okay. So have you all understood this problem? So let us see, let us enter into next problem. See, the next problem is given, sixth question. Sixth question. First of all, given polynomial. What is given polynomial? So once we have to see the question, what is given in the question. See, the question is given, if 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Okay. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus x square plus ax plus b, then find the values of a and b. See, in previous problem, only one zero is given, that is 2. But in this problem, two zeros are given. What are they? One is 0 and another one is 1. Okay. So, two zeros are given. So this two, from these two zeros, we have to find the value of a and b. Okay. So let us see how to find the value of a and b. So first of all, the given polynomial. What is the given polynomial? F of x is equal to, the given polynomial f of x is equal to 2x cube. F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square, 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, plus ax plus b. Okay. F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Okay. And first of all, and 0 is the zero of the given polynomial f of x. It means here two zeros are given. In the two zeros, first one is 0. So 0 is, take the first 0. So 0 is the zero of the given polynomial. So it means we have to substitute this 0 in the given polynomial. It means in the place of x, we have to write 0. So f of x means f of 0. X value we have to write 0 is equal to 2x cube, 2 into x value 0 cube minus 3x square, 3 of x value 0 square plus ax, a into x value 0 plus b. Here already he mentioned this is the 0. So we have to equate to 0. Right? After substituting this given polynomial, we have to equate to 0. Okay. Now simplify this. 2 of 0 cube value 0 only. 0 how many times multiplying also? We get 0 only. Now minus 3 of 0 square value 0 only plus a into 0 plus b, that is equal to 0. So when we all know that when we multiply any number with 0, again we get 0 only. Always we get 0 only. So 2 into 0 0 minus 3 into 0 0 plus here a into 0 also 0 plus b, that is equal to 0. Okay. So all we have got 0 only, right? It means at last b is equal to 0. Okay, one value we have got, b value. he asked A and B values. Okay, what values he asked? A and B values he asked in the question. So one value we have got, that is B value. Right. Now, again, take the second zero now. What is second zero? Second zero, 1. Okay. What he said? 1 is also the zero of the given polynomial. F of x. Okay, one also zero of the given polynomial f of x. It means in f of x we have to substitute 1. So what will happen? F of x becomes f of 1. That is equal to f of x becomes f of 1. So what is given polynomial? See here. 2x cube minus x square plus ax plus b. It means in the place of x now we have to substitute 1. So 2x cube, 2 of x value is 1 cube minus 3x square, 3 of x value 1 square plus ax plus a into x value 1 plus b. So that is equal to 0. We have to equate 0. Why? Because already he only said 1 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Okay. Now simplify this. What we get here? 2 of 1 cube value. 1 how many times multiplying also we get 1 only. Okay. Minus 3 of 1 square value also 1 only. Plus a into 1 plus b, that is equal to 0. Now multiply it. 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2, minus 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3, plus here a into 1, a, plus b, that is equal to 0. Okay. Here 2 minus 3, how much it is? Equal to minus 1, plus a, plus here b value also we have got 0. B value how much we got previously? See, b value we have got 0 no. So in the place of b we can write that value. Okay. So in the place of b I am writing 0. That is equal to 0. Since b value we have got 0 in previously. Okay. So here in the place of b we have written 0. Right. So it means what we get equation minus 1 plus a, that is equal to 0. Minus 1 plus a is equal to 0. So now we need a value. So this minus 1 sent this side. So when this minus 1 sent this side become plus 1. Okay. It means a value is 1. A is equal to 1. So now we have got both a value and b value. Okay. So so this is the way of finding a and b values. So whenever given zeros. Okay. So nothing, children. So first of all we have to substitute the given values in the given polynomial. Okay, given zeros, and we have to equate them and simplify. If we simplify them we get the values of a, b, okay, x, y, z something. Right. Now this exercise is completed. Now the next topic is, let us see the next topic, what is given. See, the next topic is dividing polynomials. Okay, dividing polynomials. It means dividing polynomial means whenever given two polynomials, how to divide them. Okay, so whenever given two polynomials, how to divide them. Let us discuss this topic now. So before discussing this topic, first of all, division means we all know that quotient, remainder, divisor and dividend. Okay, what is division formula? What is division formula? The division formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, here she mentioned dividend formula. Dividend formula is given. Dividend formula is given. Division formula is given. Okay, what is given? Dividend is equal to, see here. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this is division formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is division formula. So when we are solving, when we are dividing the polynomials, we have to use this formula. Already you know this formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here in this formula, what is dividend and what is divisor and what is remainder and what is quotient. So let us see, for example, see, suppose 15 we are dividing by suppose 7, otherwise 2. Okay, so 15 we are dividing by 2. So when we divide 15 by 2, how many times it is possible? 2 sevens are 7 times possible. No? 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 2 sevens are 14. So what is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. Now see here in this division. So what number we are dividing, that number is called dividend. Okay, so which number we are dividing, that number is called dividend. By what number we are dividing, that number is called divisor. Did you understand? So which number is dividing, that is called dividend. By what number we are dividing, that is called divisor. So when we divide by a number, so what result we are getting, so that is called quotient. That is called quotient. And here what we are getting after subtracting, that is called remainder. Did you understand, children? Okay, so this is the dividend. What number we are dividing, that is dividend. By which number we are dividing, that is divisor. And what result we are getting, that is called quotient. And here after subtraction, what we are getting, that is called remainder. Okay, so dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is division formula, right? So now one more theorem you have to understand before entering into exercise. See here, remainder theorem. See, remainder theorem. All of you, once you read this theorem, remainder theorem. See here, the remainder theorem, it is given that let P of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Okay. P of x is a polynomial which is greater than 1 or equal to 1. Okay. Let A be any real number. So A be any real number. Here P of x is a polynomial and A is a real number. If P of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus A, it means if this polynomial P of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus A, then the remainder is P of plus A. Then the remainder is P of plus A. Okay. It means just you remember simply here. See, here P of x is a polynomial and A is a real number. Okay. Suppose here by x minus A we are dividing the given polynomial. So what remainder we are getting? We are getting positive remainder or negative remainder. So we are getting positive remainder, P of plus A. It means when the given real number is, here A means real number. So when the given real number is negative, the remainder we get positive. Okay. When the given real number is negative, the remainder we get positive. It means, see, when we divide x minus a, okay, when we divide p of x, when we divide p of x by x minus a, okay, what remainder we get? Remainder we get p of plus a. It means here negative real number given means we get positive remainder. Suppose here positive real number is given. Suppose x plus a. We are dividing this polynomial by x plus a. So when we divide this polynomial by x plus a, okay. So here the real number is positive. So what remainder we get? Remainder we get negative. Okay, remainder we get negative. It means, just you remember simply, not necessary to verify this theorem. So when we divide a polynomial by a linear polynomial with negative real number, if the real number is negative, we get the positive remainder. The remainder will get positive. Okay, it means here a is the real number a is negative, no, minus a is there. So here remainder we get positive. So it means p of x, when p of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder will get p of plus a. Here see, p of x is divided by x plus a. Here the real number positive is there. So what we get remainder here? Negative. It means p of minus a. It means when we divide p of x by x plus a, we get the remainder p of minus a. Just remember simply, negative real number have means we get remainder positive. Positive real number have means we get remainder negative. Okay. So this concept you remember. Now open exercise 2.3. See, exercise 2.3 given here. Okay. So see the first question. Find the remainder. What is asking here? Remainder is asking. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomials. The first one is given x plus 1. Okay. So let us see how to solve this. So it means when we divide this polynomial by this linear polynomial, what remainder we get? So that we have to find out. Okay. See, this is the given polynomial. So when we divide this polynomial by this given linear polynomial, what remainder we get? That we have to find out. Okay. So let us see how to find. Observe the board carefully. See, exercise exercise 2.3. First bit. Okay. Give a name for the given polynomial. Let the given polynomial be, suppose I am giving the name p of x. Okay. So p of x is equal to, how much given p of x is equal to? X cube plus 3x squared, x cube plus 3x squared, x cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay. So for this given polynomial, we have given a name, that is P of x. Okay. So when we divide this P of x by and the given given linear polynomial x plus 1. Okay, the given polynomial is x plus 1. So when we divide this P of x by x plus 1, what remainder we get? Okay, what remainder we get? So to find the remainder, so first of all, from this we have to find x value. To find x value, this given linear polynomial equal to 0. Okay, this given linear polynomial equal to 0. Every time remember that, children. So this given linear polynomial, it means smaller polynomial, we have to equate to 0. We have to equate to 0, and from that we have to find x value. Okay. So now see here, to find x value, here plus 1 send this side. When this plus 1 send this side, become minus 1. It means 0 minus 1. So x is equal to 0 minus 1 means it is equal to minus 1. So x value we have got minus 1 here. Okay, x value we have got minus 1. Now this x value minus 1 we have to substitute in the given polynomial, right? So therefore, this x value, what x value we are getting from the given linear polynomial, that x value we have to substitute in the given polynomial. So the given polynomial is P of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So in this we have to substitute. So what will happen? P of x, this P of x becomes P of minus 1. Why? Because x value we have got minus 1, right? Now x cube means minus 1 whole cube plus 3x square, 3 into x value minus 1 whole square plus 3x, 3 into x value minus 1 and plus 1. Okay. Now find this value, P of minus 1 value, find out. Here one thing you observe, children, see here, the given linear polynomial is x plus 1. See, the given linear polynomial is x plus 1. In this, what is real number? 1 is the real number. Okay, 1 is the real number. This real number 1 positive or negative? It is positive. So when this real number positive, what remainder we get? Negative. It means minus 1. So that is why we are finding P of minus 1 value. Right? Now see here, simplify this. Minus 1 whole cube. What is the value of minus 1 whole cube? See, minus 1 whole cube is nothing but minus 1 is multiplied 3 times. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So first of all, we have to multiply the symbols. See here, minus into minus, we get plus. Again, plus into minus, minus. It means overall we get minus symbol here. And 1, how many times multiplying also we get 1 only. So it means minus 1 whole cube value is equal to minus 1 plus 3 of, and what is the value of minus 1 whole square? See, minus 1 whole square means minus 1 is multiplied 2 times. Minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus we get. 1 into 1, 1. It means minus 1 whole square value we get plus 1. Okay. Don't think minus symbol is there, we get minus 1 like that. Plus 3 of minus 1 and plus 1. Now simplify this. Here we get minus 1. Plus into plus plus. 3 ones are 3. And here plus into minus minus. 3 ones are 3. Plus 1. Okay. Now simplify this. See here we can cancel here. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. And also here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So at last what we have got? 0. Right. So 0 is the remainder of the given polynomial. 0 is the remainder of the given polynomial. Okay, children. So in the same way, I hope that you all understood how to find the remainder. So in the same way, you complete this remaining 4 problems are there. Remaining 3 problems are in this. This remaining 3 problems you complete them. Okay. So we will discuss the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you, children. Thank you all.